You can always exchange ideas with your peers and your colleagues.
And there's always somebody to help you should you require it. You can always email someone or speak to someone, whether it be in confidence.
If you need anything, the first step is your fellow teachers.
Many of the teachers themselves have already gone through the units that you're going to go through.
So he's saying, I've got this, who wants it? And if that's not enough, you can always go to your RHT.
My regional head teacher is always ready to help me out with lesson planning.
I can call and email and I see her maybe 2 or 3 days a week, and if I'm having problems with classes or if I need ideas, I can talk to her about it. So for example, last year was Nadia. It was my first year at school, so she had a lot of experience that she could share with me. And I used a lot of her material. And then beyond that, there's also, she has managers above her, so if there's not really problems, but if I had more problems, I could go to them.
Actually, every month we have workshops. A lot of topics are being covered. And after each workshop, what's nice is that we are asked what else SchoolsLink can help us with.
And also we have high quality resources.
They have tons and tons of supplies and computers and printers and scanners, everything you need to have awesome classes.
So it kind of gives you the flexibility of working in a structured environment, but also being able to craft your own classes and teach the way that sort of suits your strengths.